Let's take a look at Skill 14, multiplying decimals by decimals. Again, this is part of RTI packet number 6, which is going to be due on Tuesday, February 10th, and your quiz will be Wednesday, February 11th. When you multiply decimals by decimals, you multiply them just like you multiply whole numbers. The number of decimal places in the product is equal to the sum of the number of decimal places in the factors. So if we look at multiplying 38 1,000ths times 17 100ths, we have 3 decimal places here, we have 2 decimal places here, so when we multiply it all out, we have 5 decimal places in the product. So on 1, 2, and 3, it's just asking us to place the decimal point in each product. So I have 2 places here, so I'm going to place it between the 8 and the 8. I have 1, 2 places here, so between the 2 and the 4, and here I have 1, 2, 3 places, so between the 15 and the 5. So I'm going to look at number 5, and let's go ahead and multiply that one out. Okay, so I get 0, 0, 1, 2. I have 1, 2, 3 places, so I'm going to get 12 1,000ths as my answer. Let's take a look at 7. And I look up here, I've got 3 places and 1 place, so I should have 4 places. So my answer should be 126 10,000ths. Let's take a look at number 10. This time I need to set it up. Remember that I don't have to set up my decimal points, although they happen to set up on this one. So I get 418, but I have 2 places, so 4 and 18 100ths. Let's set up 12.2 times 0.06. When I add all those up, I'm going to get 00732. I have 1, 2, 3 places, so I get 0.732 or 732 1,000ths. So let's go ahead and turn to page 28. Again, this is all stuff you should know from elementary school, so I'm not going to spend much time on it. And I want you to go ahead and do number 16. Let's do 17, 19. Solve each equation on 23. Let's do one together. So 32 100ths times 5 100ths. We're just going to set those up, 0.32 times 0.05, and figure it out. And we're going to get, and we have 4 places to the right. So t equals, so now I want you to do number 25. Next it says evaluate each expression if m equals 9/10 and n equals 6 2/10. So all we're going to do is a substitution. So 29m is 0.9, and we're going to multiply that by 0.43. And I'm going to have to set it up different because I need my bigger number on the top. I didn't set that up very pretty, did I? Let's try to set it up over here. I have 1, 2, 3 places. So my answer would be 387 thousandths. So I want you to do 30 and 31. And then 32 through 37 are exactly like what we just did. So I want you to do 33 and 34. So the problems for you are 16, 17, 19. 25, 30, 31, 33, and 34. Once you finish those, you can move on to skill number 15.